when we're talking about ending a while loop, we have a condition that looks like this. Okay, so we set up something where x maybe equals 1. And then we say while x is less than 4, print it's still true. And then the next line says add 1 to x. So eventually x will get so big that this is no longer true, in which case it will stop. The question is, how many times will it print it's still true? 4, that's a good guess. It will print 3 times because x already is 1. So if we go through this, x equals 1, it prints it, adds 1, x is now equal to 2. Still true. Prints it again, that's 2 times. Adds it, x is equal to 3 now. Still true. Prints it the third time. And then adds 1, x is equal to 4. So it stops. It will not go through this again.